Hello, we have finally get to the production of raw material. Here is from the waste of our factories. We have a material which is mixed together. When it put to the heating element and when it becomes a granules. Here, the raw material becomes a big line and it becomes full in the water. When it becomes a granule later. Even though this had a lot of machinery work, it's still the heavy watch under the person. Person is the main here. He looks like everything to be very good and alright. Later, these granules come to a heating machine, where together with iron it becomes leaves. Here you can see as the granules become leaves together with iron. We are very soft and very warm. Okay, now I will try to make some leaves from a very soft material. The quality of this material is outstanding. So it's real touch material. This is the production line for the leaves of extra soft quality. So you can purchase it online at our website, or you just call us or chat with us. Thank you. The greenery is the real trend for nowadays world. So different parts of world need different colors, size, and so on. And our company can provide you with any size, any color you want. Thank you.